Imagine driving down the highway and suddenly realizing the vehicle next to you isn't just an RV. It's a 3-story luxury mansion on wheels. What you're looking at right now is one of the most extreme mobile homes ever designed, a fully expandable motor vehicle. Home that costs around $3 million and completely redefines luxury travel. From the outside, this machine already feels unreal. As it parks, the structure expands upward and outward, revealing multiple living levels stacked like a modern skyscraper. Soft architectural lighting glows from inside, making it look more like a luxury villa than a vehicle. This isn't about camping. This is about living large anywhere in the world. Step inside the ground floor and you're welcomed into a full luxury living room. Plush seating, ambient lighting, panoramic windows, and premium finishes make it feel like a high-end apartment. There's space to relax, entertain guests, or simply enjoy the view without ever feeling like you're inside a vehicle. Move deeper inside and the kitchen reveals itself as something straight out of a designer home. Marble countertops, modern appliances, custom cabinetry, and smart lighting turn everyday cooking into a luxury experience. Everything is designed for long-term living, not short trips. As you head upstairs, the staircase itself feels architectural, glowing softly under LED lighting. The second level opens into a private bedroom suite with a king-size bed, wide windows, and hotel-style comfort. It's quiet, private, and completely disconnected from the outside world. The bathroom continues the theme, spa-inspired, elegant, and surprisingly spacious. Glass showers, modern fixtures, and premium materials make it feel like something you'd find in a 5-star hotel, not a moving vehicle. But the most breathtaking part is the rooftop. A private lounge sits above everything, offering open-air seating, dramatic views, and the kind of freedom most homes can't provide. Sunset drinks, star-filled nights, and silence, all from the top of your own moving mansion. Beyond luxury, this motorhome is built for independence. Advanced power systems, off-grid capabilities, climate control, and hidden storage allow it to function anywhere, from mountains to deserts to lakesides. Powering all of this is serious engineering, designed to move massive weight smoothly and safely. It's not just impressive, it's a statement about what's possible when money, design, and imagination come together. So the question is, would you live in a 3-story mansion on wheels? Because for the right buyer, $3 million buys not just a vehicle, but a lifestyle without limits. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments if you'd live in a luxury motor vehicle home like this. And don't forget to subscribe for more unbelievable mobile mansions